around 3304 at 1199 Seymour Street in Vancouver. 1 bedroom, 2 bath. Let's start from the entrance as usual. So as you make your way in, step in the living room, floor to ceiling windows, open kitchen layout on your right hand side. Huge ceiling height, over 12 feet. Very good size kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Access to a deck. You could put a table, a couple of chairs, and have your dinner or breakfast on the deck. Progressing into the living room. Coat check with access to ample storage behind this door. Making our way to the powder room. And then to the master bedroom. Displaying a walk-in closet. This Californian closet. A little office space. Master ensuite with a bathtub, shower, double sink. Lots of natural light. Mostly urban views with peaks over English Bay, North Shore. And we're gonna make our way to the rooftop deck. Has been renovated 12 years ago with lots of subtle touches of style. Before we make it to the rooftop deck, there would be a little nook on the right hand side. Once you step on the rooftop deck, very ample with gas fireplace, electricity, and water. And the southwest exposure. Very, very enjoyable rooftop. Thank you.